Hi, I'm Jim with Braden Business Systems, and today we're going to talk about bizhub Marketplace. Did you know that you can use your bizhub multifunctional machine to access your Google Drive, your OneDrive, SharePoint, and other useful applications? Well, you can. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss what some of these apps are and how you can use these on your bizhub 0 series or newer Konica Minolta MFPs. Some prerequisites. You need to make sure that enabling this will not interfere with any current workflows you may have in place. You will also want to make sure you speak to your IT and security team to make sure this will not cause any security or compliance issues for your company. If additional information is needed, such as the white papers, these can be obtained from Konica Minolta or your MFP service provider. You will also want to reach out to your MFP service provider. In some instances, specialized firmware may be used in your machine that might conflict with Marketplace. Getting started. First, you will need to go to the Konica Minolta Marketplace website and set up an account. You could do this by going to https://us.konicaminoltamarketplace.com and creating a new account by clicking on the icon in the upper right hand corner. After the account is created, you can click the market link at the top of the page and see the available connectors you can purchase, or in some cases get for free. Getting the machine ready. If you do not already know your machine's IP address, you can get this by going to the machine and pressing the home button, then pressing utility, and then device information. You should see your IP address listed there. Write that address down, as you will need it later. In our example here, we will use 10.250.56.186 for my machine. Going back to the Marketplace website, you will need to download the installer file. Click Support and then find the link called Marketplace Installer. Click that link to begin downloading the file. Once downloaded, you should see it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file and run the installation process. When you get to the Finish screen, make sure the Start Konica Minolta Marketplace Installer box is checked, and then click the Finish button. It will automatically check for updates. If it finds one, let the software update. When finished, the installer application will want the MFP address. This is the IP address we got from the machine. In my case, it is 10.250.56.186. You'll need to enter the MFP admin password. By default, Konica Minolta machines use 12345678, 12345678. If you find that is not working, reach out to your MFP service provider. Once the information is entered, click Install, and the MFP will be configured for Marketplace. And you should see Installation Complete at the bottom of the installer screen. At the machine. On the machine's control panel, follow these steps. Press the Home button. You'll see this screen. Touch the Marketplace button. The connector will load and sync. Touch the App Manager button. Log into the Marketplace with the credentials you use to create an account on the website. You will see the Marketplace landing page. Here you will see the ones that are currently installed, the ones purchased, free ones, and MFP user interfaces. If there are any applications you do not want, click the Uninstall button to remove them. For this example, we're going to install the paid connector for Google Drive. Note, in some cases, you can download a trial version to test before you buy. Press the Install button. Once installed, you'll be taken to the installed screen. You see the Google Drive connector is listed. Press the Settings button to make any changes you need in this area. If none are required, then hit the Save button. You can press the Updates button to see if there are any updates needed for the connector. Press the Settings button. You can rearrange the connector buttons if you would like. Click Save, then press the Home button on the operation panel. You will now see the connector for Google Drive on the Marketplace home screen. Press the Google Drive button. Here, you will log into your Google account. Enter the Gmail email address, then click Next. You'll need to verify the account, usually using your phone or email. Scroll down the page. Click Continue. Click the checkbox to allow the machine to have the ability to access your folders. Click the Continue button. Move on to the next screen. Here is where you can access the files that are there. You can upload files to the Google Drive and print files from there. Clicking the folders lets you create a new folder. You also see the door icon. This logs you out of the Google Drive. Press to exit. After you log out, you can log in with a different account. Press the Home button to get back to the normal machine operation. To get back to the Google Drive connector, you would press Home, Marketplace, and then select the connector. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.